All right, welcome to Tackett's House of Horsepower. It's me, Steve Tackett. Yeah, it's a mess in here. I don't. It's causing me anxiety. I swear. Anyways, I wanted to jump on and do a quick video of an update mostly on Down and Dirty because I have not given up yet. I do want to make it to Duct Tape Drags in September, but it's getting real iffy on timing. So anyways, here's what we got. From the other videos you saw, hopefully you saw, if you'd like to go see them, that would be nice. Plumbing is pretty much done. Fuel lines, brake lines, all the brakes are done. Suspension is done. Steering is done. Engine and tranny are done. Needs a drive shaft. Yeah. So basically the chassis is on standstill. I have got a mess in here. I've got another little project here. You'll probably see a video on that one. That thing is making me want to pull my hair out. Of course, the Harley's doing its thing. The green Chevelle, it's doing its thing. That thing is like a Toyota Camry. I swear, I can leave that thing sit for 2 months, jump in there, tap the gas, hit the key, that thing will fire off. I swear, it's a Toyota Camry. So, projects going here, project here. We got to do, I'm going to do an episode on this car. It needs a lot of work. I need to fix a few things on it. It's a good running, driving LS swap, and I'll get into it. It's a 5.3 4L60, but it's got some issues right now. So I'm going to do an episode on this one, I think, this weekend, because I've got some time to kill. Because Down and Dirty hasn't left yet. Oh my God. I know September's coming up fast. Today's the day though. I'm taking it down to my body guy. And I think what we're gonna do is we're going to weld up the firewall. We're gonna weld all that up, smooth it out, weld it up. Paint the firewall gloss black probably. We're going to fix this. It's starting to rain on me. Great. I need to fix all this, weld all this up. Probably paint the dash gloss black as well. There's also a little bit of rust when I pulled the back window. I think what happens is out here in Arizona, because of the smoking hot dry heat, all the rubber just deteriorates. So the back window starts leaking, the front window starts leaking, and there's parts inside there. I got a back window, I need a front window, so I need to order one. I got the chrome pieces. Anyways, if I don't fall off the trailer, it's getting a little bit of scaly rust back here. I'm gonna have him grind all this down and seal it up, and then reinstall the windows, put the chrome back on it. It's really starting to rain on me. I can't believe this. I live in Arizona, come on. But yeah, so when I get this back from the body guy, what I told him was we're gonna leave the outside looking like it is. You know, we're just gonna leave it. I don't, one for time and one for money. I don't know what to do about this door. I've been trying to find somebody with a door. I mean, everybody talks about how flaky people are. You know, sometimes it's you sellers too, man. Like I'm trying to buy parts. I hit up people on my Chevelle pages and stuff. And yeah, I got one of those. Yeah, I got one of those. Okay, how much is it? Ship it. Let's go. I'll pay you right now. And of course, I don't hear nothing back. So, come on, guys. So I might just have them beat that door out so it'll close. Beat this dent out. Maybe get the door to close, and then I'll just leave it. We're just gonna leave it. I'll replace it later. When I decide to paint this car, I'll get a new door probably. So if I can just get my body guy to beat that thing straight enough to open and close, I'll be happy with that. So next time you see this car, hopefully the firewall will be done, the windows and stuff, front and back windows will be done, glass will be back in it, chrome will be back on, the outside of the windows, all that'll be popped back in. And then I'm gonna take this and set the body back down on the frame. And yeah, we'll start assembly. I don't know if I'm gonna make it though. I don't know. We're gonna try. So maybe we'll see this at Duct Tape Drags. I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to take another car, maybe one of these three. Maybe have Sarah drive that and I'll drive that or something. I don't know. Because I don't think it's gonna be real close. I could always take the green Chevelle. Anyways, I got a lot to do today. All right, check it. We are on the move for real this time. So yeah, I gotta go to the bank. I gotta go to the powder coater. I gotta go to the body guy. Yeah, so I'm just checking in. I'll take you with me today. We're gonna get all this dropped off, get some stuff from the powder coater, and stuff for this car actually. Wheel wells, radiator core support, bumper brackets, all that stuff got sandblasted and powder coated. So we gotta pick that up today. Yeah, we're running errands, and it's really, really raining now. I don't know. Great. So here we go. Pulled out the cash, heading back on the road. Well, at least it stopped raining, so at least got that going for me. Look at that. The trailer's empty. Look at the bed of the truck. I got wheel wells, radiator core support. I got bumper brackets, hood hinges, everything. Sandblasted, powder coated. Man, it rained this morning and now it's just humid. Oh my God. All right, so now we got to make one more stop and then heading home, unload all this stuff. So, man, we are getting stuff done today at least. You know what I mean? All right, we got Down and Dirty back from paint. She's looking pretty good. Looks all right. Just kidding. No, that's the wife's Malibu. Had to pick it up on the way home it was at my other buddy's shop. Getting 100,000 mile service and shocks and struts and a bunch of stuff. So anyway, that's just the wife's car. Anyway, take a look at this, get a better look. We got, from the powder coater, we got the radiator core support. Wheel wells, inner wheel wells, they're already dirty. They were sitting outside, it's all dirty. So it's kind of whatever. Bumper brackets, hood hinges, wheel wells, radiator core support. Everything's sandblasted and powder coated. And they came out pretty good. They're just dirty right now, you can see. Anyways. She's getting a little bit of love. We are continuing to work on it. We're getting stuff done as much as we can, But that's what I did today. Anyway, it's been a busy day. It's hot. I'm sweating. It's gross. But that is a little update on what's going on with Down and Dirty. we're still getting stuff done on it. I got some other projects going too. I do work a full-time job, believe it or not, but as much as I can, I've been getting on it. So the body is at the Body Man officially today. We're getting all that stuff welded up and patched up. Hopefully he gives me that back in a couple weeks, and we will be setting it on the frame here shortly, and work is going to continue. So with that being said, that's the updates. That's what we're working on, and I'll get into it more in depth when the body comes back. But anyways, I gotta play Jenga, move a bunch of cars around, put the trailer away. So I'm gonna try not to die of heat stroke. But anyways, thanks for watching. That's the updates. If you're interested, please give me a like, a subscribe, a share, a comment. Any of that stuff helps me out a lot. And you know what? YouTube has enough money. You know what I mean? They can afford to share that wealth. You know what I mean? So help me out here. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment, tell your friends. Anyways, I appreciate all of you. I love you. I miss you. I'm gonna continue. The work is gonna get done. I promise. So with that, that's it. So take it easy.